So he's playing his guitar. I'm playing that guitar, and I'm gonna walk to this computer and put this mask on. I got like amazing green shit like that. Oh, I'm watching this, but it was still going. Oh shit. That's okay. Here we go. Oh, I really like this song. By Weird Al, and don't download this song. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna download this song. Oh here, oh boy. Let's go to this thing. Paste it. I'm gonna convert it as well. Oh yeah, Kaspersky. Love that. Download it. I got some probably viruses, something like that. But it's alright. I don't really use this computer. So, let's see, how long has that got? Oh shit, it's a crime. Oh, I'm on a heat spree now. I really want to go get those video movie things. I don't know. Fuck it. Oh shit. I'm gonna steal something. Game, car. Ooh, car. It's a white one as well. I wouldn't steal handbag. Oh, and a TV. I'm actually stealing that. Oh, and you wouldn't steal a movie. But I did because I'm copying all those folders. Ha. Yeah. Oh, I better. Oh. You just think about everything. Look at these people. And here we go. It's the end. Well, that was enjoyable. I'm now just gonna play my guitar. And that will be it. No more things. Nothing else. Fade to black. Yeah, don't do this. I'm not even associated with these things, but I know that this is a real problem. Okay, goodbye. Shh.